We're going to run through our standard noise lab. So what you'll need for this are our resonance tube apparatus, as you can see right here, a beaker to fill with water, tuning forks, rubber mallets, and then our musical sound tubes.
The phenomena we're looking for is we're going to make a standing wave of sound in an open tube. And so we're also going to listen for resonance. So here's the tube capped on one end, and you can hear the sound it makes. The length of the tube is important. Clearly the length is important. If I uncap it and have both ends open rather than one end closed, this is with a closed end, this is with an open end, different noises. Now, the purpose of the tuning fork for our experiment, so this tuning fork is vibrating at 512 times a second, or 512 hertz, which is a C note. And so if I bring this frequency, this C note, next to the A tube, well, you can hear some of the sound vibrating in the A tube, but nothing too interesting. But again, this C tuning fork, if I bring that near a sound tube, that's resonance. And that's what we're going to look for when we're doing this experiment. So we've got water, and water is, the sound is going to vibrate from the tuning fork in our open tube bouncing off the end of the water. And I can control the level of the water by raising and lowering this cup. And what you're going to do is you first should predict where it is that you're going to get the resonant phenomena, that hum. When I bring the tuning fork to here, well, sure, I hear the noise, but if I get this level of the water so that that noise, that sound wave fits in between the water level and the tube, if I can get that to hum, then I found the resonance, or I found the proper wavelength, the size of the wavelength. And you heard how loud that got. Now it's not as loud. If I lower that level again, oops. That's what you're looking for in this lab. So first predict, using your wave equation, the size of the wavelength that you would need to resonate where you're looking for the water level to be, given the tuning fork that you choose and the speed of sound in the air. And don't forget to wear your safety goggles.